What's going on, everybody? Jonah Bunch here with Bunch's Diesel. Today is Tuesday the 14th. We'll give you a walkthrough of what we've got going on in the shop today. So a little bit more laid back of a week this week since Cody's going to not be here with us. He's going on vacation. First truck we've got coming in is Brandon Ramsey. So Brandon is a good customer of ours. He does all our concrete. I believe it's his grandfather's is the fire chief. So Brandon actually does a lot of the local diving and is a big part in the local volunteer fire department. So this is his new truck. This is a 2026 Denali Ultimate, and we're going to deck out the lights. We've got a big toolbox coming, and I've got about 25 different sets of lights that's going on this truck. He wants it to be really lit up, so it's going to be crazy. Let's see, Wesley, what we got next? We've got Wesley's portacool in. So this is Wesley's own personal little portacool here. Look here, where it's hot outside. No, we don't have AC yet. Well, I promise we'll have that by next summer. It's just, I'm not there yet. So the 6.4, we've got it going back together. This is for a friend of mine, Lee Daft. So I met Lee when I was teaching school at the King's Academy. He's a teacher there. That's been 10 or 15 years ago. So he's got this 2009 6.4. Brought in, turbos was bad on it, so we had to do turbos, did new up pipes for him, fixed a couple of other odd and end things, and then did the cab bushing. So we've got that going together. I would say probably we'll have the cab back down this today. This is another truck that we're selling. So I sourced this truck here locally. This is a 2001 two-wheel drive Tacoma. It's pretty rare because it's a two-wheel drive with the step side bed. So guys, leave a message in the comments if you've ever seen one of those. I had never actually seen one, and the customer that we're selling to has been looking for a long time, and he's never seen one. So the truck is loaded out inside. It's automatic. It's got the little clock. It's a pretty loaded out truck, about 170,000 miles. Got it from a guy who was about 80. So it's been a super nicely took care of truck. So he is flying up here Thursday or Friday this week to take us back home to Texas. So again, guys, if y'all need help finding a truck or wanting to find a truck, it's not just going to be diesels we can source you. We can pretty much find you anything you want. So again, this one's going all the way back to Texas. We finally got the bed on the truck. It's heading to Ohio. So we've got the bed on it. I think they've got it bolted down. I'm not sure. We had to get some different. No, not yet. So I had to get some different bolts and stuff for the bed. So the bed is sitting on there. Got to get that bolted down and a couple other odd and end things on this. Again, like I said, I know this truck has been here for a little while. It's just when you get into these trucks, especially something that's been converted from, some of the stuff they said has even had they've swapped a dually axle. I don't know what's going on with the axle, but it's when trucks have been modified and people want to take them back to stock, it just ends up having to find a bunch of little parts like cables or brackets or whatever, stuff like that. It's not that it's hard to find, it's just there's not a lot of people in the country that have it, and then when you do get it, it takes a long time to get it in. So again, if you happen to buy a little bracket from Missouri and a piece from Washington State or whatever, it's just, there's stuff everywhere you can get it. It just takes a little bit of time. So hopefully getting this truck finished up in the next week or two, and then we got a bunch of big projects outside. I don't know if we'll go through that today or not, but we got a bunch of stuff coming up. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and we'll see you a little later. Well, besides the guy that can't load the truck properly, Rob, this is your truck is on the way now. Like I said, guys, we've been selling a bunch of trucks. We just happened to get this one on video. So anywhere in the country you want, this one's going to Pennsylvania. We'll take care of you anywhere you want to go. So guys, make sure to check us out, Bunch's Diesel Performance, and give us a call if you need anything. Guys, thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.